Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making some egg curry, which is one of my favorites. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And now let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will need. I will also list them in the description box below. To ensure that your eggs will soak in the flavor, use your knife or fork to make small incisions. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into your pan, followed by the curry powder. Then add a pinch of salt. Then cook the curry powder together with the salt for a few minutes, about a minute. Then add your eggs. Now the small incisions that we made earlier, this is the point where it helps by soaking in the curry inside the egg, and once they are done, set them aside. Now into the same pan, no need to add oil, add in your onions and saute them for a few minutes. Once that is done, add in your ginger and garlic paste and saute them as well. Next, add in your tomato paste. Normally I like to add my tomato paste before the tomatoes, so that I cook the tomato paste for about a minute or a few seconds, and this will help remove the strong taste that the tomato paste usually has. Once that is done, add in your tomatoes, stir them so that it mixes with the onions. Then add in all the spices that I'd shown you previously and some salt to taste. So go ahead to cover your tomatoes and let them simmer till soft, as you can see here. Once that is done, add in your eggs. Next, add in some bay leaves. If you do not have bay leaves, you can skip this step, but the bay leaves really give out a good flavor in your curry. Next, add in some water, which will simmer and help all the ingredients cook together. Cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Once that is done, this is ready to serve. Add some coriander, stir a little bit and serve. Here is my curry. I went ahead to garnish it with more coriander. I will be having mine with some steamed rice. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you never miss any new uploads.